Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset POCO Pad M1. Okay, we have two methods how we can do it. We have a reset using the settings, and we can also reset our device using the recovery mode. I'll show you both methods. Let's begin with the settings. That's also the recommended method. Now go into About tab. Now scroll down until you find the factory reset. Remember that all of your data will be permanently erased. And now if you want to continue, simply click on Erase All Data. After that, your device will be turned off. Then, after a few seconds, it will be automatically turned on again, and it will be ready to use. And that's the first method. When it comes to the second method, through the recovery mode, we need to remember about two things. There is a chance that after the reset, when we get into the setup process, the tab will want to verify us, or by typing the screen lock that we had before the reset, or by signing in into the Google account into which we are logged in on our device before the reset, as a confirmation. There's a chance that it won't appear, but I'm just telling you that you need to be aware of that this may happen. Alright, now to perform that reset using the recovery mode, we need to power off our device. So click power button and volume up button and select power off. Okay, and now to get into the recovery mode, we need to hold power button and volume up button until the recovery mode launches. So simply hold both buttons. Just like that. Now using the volume keys, we can navigate. Now we need to select wipe data. Now confirm by clicking power button. Again, wipe all data. Confirm. Confirm. And now the process has started, so we need to wait a little bit. Data wipe successfully. Confirm. And now select reboot, confirm, reboot to system, and now we just need to simply wait until our device turns on. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.